In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. I have been experimenting a lot, and found I didn't have to create a main character shape in Blender in order to generate a good AI image. This is a simple scene composed of a scaled and X rotated plane with a sphere. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. After generating a new image, please use this image-to-image icon to send the image to the image-to-image. I have tried manually opening a previously generated image after going to the tab manually, and that didn't work. This method works with regular Stable Diffusion, but not with XL. Please remember to immediately send the generated image to image-to-image by using an icon, when required. This was the first image, and as we can see, the image contains errors. So I sent this image to image to fix it like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.